Shenzhen XCHO Technology Limited was founded in 2015, and we are focusing on innovative high-tech products for pets. Ideas for pets and people is our company vision. We have a first-class R&D team who have repeatedly won the Global Design Awards, such as the Red Dot Design Award, IF Award, IDEA Award, so we could launch several new popular products every year. Our factory is located in Dapeng District, Shenzhen, Guangdong Province. It is only 30 minutes away from Yantian Port, with convenient transportation and strategic location. We are engaged in retractable dog leashes, training collars, and pet water fountains. We have 20 design patents, 4 invention patents, 8 utility patents in US, Europe, and China, and make sure our products own CE, FCC, and RoHS certifications. Both OEM and ODM service are acceptable. Product quality is our life. XCHO has a professional IQC, IPQC, and OQC team to complete the zero-defect quality goal. We keep 100% full inspection of incoming materials, strict control of product quality to provide the best goods. We will adhere to an open, cooperative development strategy and work together with industry partners to promote the development of the pet industry and progress, so that everyone in the world can enjoy high-quality technology products from China.